What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get basically every Netflix movie for free, but it's only not Netflix. I'm going to show you all the movies. I mean, the streaming platforms. You have HBO, you have Hulu, you have Amazon Prime, you have Sky, you have Disney, and you have Showtime. Oh yeah, Netflix is also on this, and just have to click here. Then you have Netflix. And if you go down a little bit more, you have suggested titles by genre. You can either do drama, family, action, crime, or horror, or adventure. And this is completely free, as you can see. And you can watch any movie. So I just want to type in I like Home Alone. So it doesn't matter which one you choose. What did you see? You wanna just click it, and then this thing will pop up. Then you can just click on the right. You can click play for the whole movie. Just click that. Oh, my laptop sound is down. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip to the